Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Crazy Train Thane. I have some more art for you guys today. This art project that I am undertaking in this series that I'm going to be posting is for a character called Pyromaniac. I was originally this art piece to be a original character slash mascot for my friend's band called Pyromaniac. So the character was called Pyromaniac. They haven't said anything back to me about this character, so I'm just going to keep it for myself now and make him an anti-hero in this comic book that I've been making on the back burner for many years. Who knows, maybe I'll actually do something about that someday. But anyway, in this video I am initially setting up my scene, grabbing a bunch of reference material and stacking it up based off the ideas that I had in mind and I'd come up with them in our discussion when I thought I was designing this character for them, and adding a couple of touches that I thought made sense in actually creating a character. So for the next bit, I'm just going to let the video play and see you guys later. At this point in my project, I'm playing around with the background scenery of some sort of hellish landscape. And I was really attached to the idea initially, but ultimately I just couldn't make it work. At least that's what I thought in my mind. So after the first session here, the next day I pull it up and then I throw them into a back lane and I try adding this car and a couple other things you're going to see later. And there's just a lot of back and forth right up until the point that I actually start doing line work and making a drawing. I was just trying to get all the elements right in the scenery before I started with the more tedious aspects of the art. And right around here is where I started to really think about the character and the design of the character and any backstory he might have. I was going to put gas tanks on his back that you might see peeking out past his shoulders, which would be powering his flamethrowers. But then I thought, wait, he's got a flaming skull. Why would he be carrying around gas tanks? Because he might blow them up with his flaming skull. But then how do I explain the flaming skull? He's clearly supernatural, right? So then I had the idea, oh, well, he's like this undead supernatural character, so why not, go a step further and he was experimented upon, or maybe he did it to himself where he fastened these metal fixtures to his head that channels the supernatural flame into his weapons of choice. And in this picture happens to be flamethrowers scorching these poor bystanders, ? Maybe they were people mugging a lady, who knows? They're just dudes who were in the wrong place at the wrong time because Pyromaniac came along and burnt them to a cinder. And right about here is where I decided that I was happy with my scene that I had set up when I was ready to start my line work. So I'm going to cut this video here and I'll see you guys in the next video for the actual drawing.